Hi, honors. Usually we could do this as a class, but because of the situation of the corona, I decided to film myself doing the exercise that you need to do. The first things that we want to do is to look where the lights are and to draw a floor plan, a top view where things are. We're in the morning, the sun we have that is there, so that is gonna be our key light, and we don't want to film against the key light. I'm gonna draw a floor plan here in my white paper. So what I see here, we have the bull here. It's a top view, okay? The light is coming from here, and we have the fontaine. I'm gonna concentrate in this first bull, okay? So I'm planning ahead that I'm gonna do a establishing shot. So I'm gonna draw my camera one here, a little farther away, to be able to have a complete view of the bull. Then I have to think in the purpose of my video, okay? I want to show the strength of the bulls in this case, so I'm gonna be showing closer and closer shot of the bull, and I'm gonna choose a low angle to show how strong the bull is, okay? So I'm gonna draw, maybe I'm gonna get closer here, number 2. I'm gonna move to the side because the bull is looking to the side, so I'm gonna draw my camera 3 here. You have to follow the assignment rules. Everything that is explained there, okay? I'm just doing a demonstration. We usually do this during class with all the students. And this is how my floor plan looks like. I should put here a key light. Okay. The key light, this is the bull, the top view, and my camera 1, 2, 3. The next thing that we have to do is to do the white balance. We're gonna do it against that white paper that I put on a tripod. I don't know if you can see there. I just wanted to give you a review how to do the white balance. I hope this is on focus in my camera. We press these 3 colors here, and then we have to see all white. You're gonna see me doing it. And when we have all white in the screen, blue, I'm gonna press it and lock that. So let's watch me doing this. As I was saying before, the first thing that we want to do is white balance, because we don't want the light to shift color, okay? We have to tell the camera what is the white under this light, under this outside light. For that, I'm gonna open the app first, and then I'm gonna point my camera against a white surface, and I'm gonna make sure that the surface receives the same light that our subject. Usually you want to put it in front of your subject, but here, because we have water, I cannot get closer to the bull. So I'm gonna click the 3 circles, color here, and I'm gonna press the button that is blue when it's out of white balance. I'm gonna press it or tap there, click, and that is gonna lock the white balance. It's gonna tell the phone that this is the white color that I want them to see. Okay, I want to see this color as a white under this light. An important thing, we have the circle icon that is for the exposition. I want to expose to the black of the bull, okay? So before I start filming, maybe I'm gonna zoom in to the skin of the bull. I'm gonna get a little closer, and I'm gonna lock my exposition to the black of the bull, to the light that is reflected or absorbed by the color of the bull, okay? You go to the gear icon, And here, hopefully it's in focus, I'm gonna select the resolution. I'm gonna make sure that I'm HD 1080p Film Extreme. Then I would like to go to CMS, and I'm gonna type the name of the project. So it's gonna save that file with that name. Anyway, you're gonna have to rename it with the project name and your name. And I'm gonna go under device, and here where it says stitch record footage, usually is off. I want to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on. So what it means that it's gonna stitch each one of the shots that I do. So it's gonna be editing in camera. Remember that with the stitch mode, when I press the record button, let's say here, and I stop, it will have like a pause sign. If I press again, okay, it's going to stitch the first image to the second image. If I want to finish recording this, I have to hold my finger and pressing until stop, okay? You already set the exposition for the skin of the bull, and I'm in autofocus, okay? And I'm in stitch mode. So I remember the first things I want to do is establish the shot. Each shot should last between 2 and 4 seconds long, okay? And I think we're not gonna move the camera. We just have to look for a good composition, a good shot, and then we press to record. I stop, I pause the recording, and I'm gonna go a little closer here, but I'm gonna start using the low angle. I started like 4 seconds in each shot. You can see the count here, how long is the shot. I'm gonna get a little closer, kind of a medium shot here. I'm gonna get closer here. Usually I do not recommend to use the zoom, but since we can get closer, okay. And I have my movie of the description of the bull.